Sorry, mate. Sorry.
Our Scotland. You've always been an easy country to love. Wind that shapes the land, rain that brings colour to the wild places. Hills rise like old friends, waiting to share their view. But football, that's where the heart beats loudest. In strangers that become brothers and sisters for 90 minutes. In belief that never leaves. We carry something they cannot measure. Pride. That fierce, stubborn Scottish pride. Scotland, you beautiful, unbreakable place. After 28 long summers, the world will finally hear your voice again.